Hi. It's time to talk about time. What time is it? It is a.m. It is in the morning. It is p.m. It is in the afternoon. It is in the evening. It is o'clock. What time do you? I go to bed at. I eat lunch at. I play at. I study at. Examples.
What time is it? It is 6:30 a.m. It is 7:14 in the morning. It is 9:10 p.m. It is 2:45 in the afternoon. It is 10:15 in the evening. It is 3 o'clock. What time do you sleep? I go to bed at 8 p.m. I eat lunch at 12 p.m. I play at 6:45 a.m. I study at 6 o'clock.
What time is it? It is 3 a.m. It is 5:50 in the morning. It is 8:35 p.m. It is 3:44 in the afternoon. It is 6:19 in the evening. It is 12 o'clock. What time do you wake up? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I eat lunch at 11:30 a.m. I play at 5:18 p.m. I study at 7:30 p.m. Conversations. Excuse me. What time is it?
It is 4:30 in the afternoon. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8:30 in the evening. And you?
I sleep at 8 o'clock.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 11:45 a.m. What about you?
I have lunch at 12:15 p.m.
What time do you play? I play at 10:13 a.m. What time do you study?
I study at 7 o'clock in the evening. And you?
I study at 6:20 p.m. Your turn. What time is it? It is a.m. It is in the morning. It is p.m. It is in the afternoon. It is in the evening. It is o'clock. What time do you? I go to bed at. I eat lunch at. I play at. I study at. Good job.
Bye!